Hey everybody, look what I got right here. I got a ghost pepper. I was all psyched up all week because I thought someone was going to give me some Carolina Reapers, and he never came through, but I knew that one of our local stores actually carried these, and so I'm like, I'm just going to try ghost pepper instead, because I've never done that, and I should probably work my way up in baby steps to trying a Carolina Reaper. So, that's about it for that. I'm going to eat this though, and I'm going to talk about some hot sauce and some garden plans for this year. And hopefully I don't die, and hopefully it's entertaining. Am I ready for this? Is this a bad idea? I'm about to find out. So far, so good. Alright, so just this last year I started making fermented hot sauces and have a lot of fun with it. As you can see, each time I do it I ferment the peppers for 2 weeks, and I use quite a different variety so far. Whew. It creeps on you, okay. So let's talk about these. The Strabanero, it was just some strawberries out of the garden and some habaneros. It's, in there in the middle, it's not too hot, and you're asking the wrong guy anyway. This monster mash was ghost peppers, Fresnos, and habaneros. And so let me, real quick, out of our garden, this is the last one that we got. We had an early frost right when I figured out how to do this fermented hot sauce thing. And so this was Brazilian starfish and Ethiopian brown peppers, so we named it Brown Star. I know, it's hilarious, right? So the other ones, since I'm just experimenting, we've been buying peppers from other places. And my food service rep for the restaurant hooked me up with a pound box of dried ghost peppers, and so I got this, I call it the 100 Ghosts, and it's just straight up dried ghost peppers with my other ingredients, which are all the same for all the sauces. I use onions, garlic, ginger, salt, sugar, brine, and water. Man, this is one of my favorites. I'm happy with the color this came out. It's called the Fire Demon. That's scorpion peppers and Fresno and habanero. This is one of my early on ones, just straight up habanero with the same mix of ingredients. I call it the burning sensation. This is more recent. I had some dried Thai chilies from the garden, and I bought a 10-pound box of jalapenos, and I did this with the Thai dragon. Oh, it's called the Fire Dragon, or no, Green Dragon. Sorry, kick my ass. And this is the Fresmanero. It was just an experiment too, Fresno and habanero. Pretty good kick to it. This is the most mild, I think. The Green-Eyed Monster is just Serrano and jalapeno. And the Crimson Ghost. This is everyone's favorite so far. The people that sold them to, my husband, people that try it. It's mostly Fresnos, but there's a few ghosts in there from either the dried ghosts or the fresh ghosts that I've found. I've done 3 batches of this one now. So yeah, that's all those, and more to come, because let's talk about next year's gardening plans. So we got that early frost this year. It pissed us off. We had to cut down all the peppers early and freeze a bunch of them. And so one plan is that we're going to get a little greenhouse for the south side of the house. And we also got all these other crazy seeds to start. I'll go in order from least hot to most hot. No, that one got out of the word. How do you do that? There we go. Okay. So of course I'm going to grow my own Fresnos. This one's the Bolivian Rainbow, and it's 10 to 30,000 Scoville. There's gonna be a lot of cool colors in there. I think it'll make some really cool looking sauces. There's even purples, and then the Bulgarian carrot. It's gonna be nice to add some orange hints and stuff like that. It's 20 to 30,000 Scoville. Then the Yatsufusa, or the Yahtzee, it's 40 to 75,000. This Charleston is a type of cayenne, but it's about twice as hot. It's 70 to 80,000 Scovilles. I may be wrong on that. Then I have a Chocolate Ghost. It's 80,000 to 1 million. A Bootlot Bubblegum 7-pot chocolate, 850,000 to 1 million. Sorry. 7-pot chocolate brain string. That sounds like a lot of fun. That's 1.4 million. That got out of order with this one. The Big Mustard Mama. It's a nice green one. It's going to be 1 million plus. It looks like Pepperex, if you know what that is. And I got a Peach Carolina Reaper, 1.5 million plus. And the free seeds that they sent me, one of them was, I didn't pick it. It's called the 7-pot Lava Yellow, and that's 1.8 million. So you're gonna be seeing some crazier sauces. Hopefully better, not better, but cooler color blends as we get better at doing this. And yeah, I'd love it if you'd just check it out. We're gonna try and start selling it eventually, but I'm not gonna give out the PayPal or anything yet because we've never used it. I think I made it. That wasn't that bad. Now I think I'm gonna have to try the Reaper. Or is it Scorpion next and then Reaper? We'll see.